What's up guys, it's Lo-Fi and welcome to the first unboxing video on this channel. We have headphones. These are new headphones thankfully provided by my girlfriend for this video. We recently started looking for headphones for her and she had very specific criteria, and from that criteria this was the one that we went with. So she wanted headphones that had the stem, were not that big, like popping out of your ears kind of stuff. She wanted fully wireless. She wanted in-ear. So definitely in-ear, not those AirPod copy stuff. And here we have the Huawei Freebuds 4i. So without further ado, let's just hop into it and see what is in here. So we pop open the box. We got our first look at the case itself. So plastic, glossy, USB-C, which is always good to see. Inside we have our headphones. They instantly come on when you open the case, so that is nice to see. Nothing else except the sync button on the right side of the headphones. Let's leave that there and see what is in the box. Other than that, we have the charging cable, USB-C. I think this would be a 1 meter cable. And then we have our paperwork and different size silicone covers. So we have L and S, so presumably the M size is the one that is connected. That is on the headphones for now. That is all with that. Let's throw those to the side and focus on the headphones themselves. So looking at the headphones, the clear beginning stuff that you can see is that the magnet is nice, but I already see a problem with the headphones, which is the fact that because of the egg-like shape, there is no way you are leaving these upright. And the only way to have them securely is by putting them on the back, but when you go to open the case, it just closes because the magnet is so strong. The headphones themselves, let's see. Okay, that's a good strong magnet, but these are very glossy, slippery plastic as well. So a strong magnet on the bottom there on the headphones, combined with the slippery plastic, you definitely might have trouble getting the headphones out. So this is what the headphones look like. So very AirPods-esque. This is like a combination between the AirPods Pro and the normal AirPods. Not bad, look-wise. Let's see. The fit is pretty good. Oh, I can hear this. Is this on pass-through? Let me see. So you hold to toggle the ANC modes. Okay, so now we're noise canceling. So it was on pass-through. Yeah, it was on pass-through at the beginning. I mean, ANC can be a little bit of a hit or miss. I'm used to Sony's ANC, so I'm a little bit spoiled on that part. So a few specs. These are supposed to have 10-hour battery life, up to 20. It sounds very good, but I would want to see proof of that. Of course, seeing as I have not used these before, I can't tell you what the actual battery life is like, but that's what it's supposed to be. These do not have an official IP rating, so be aware of that if you're gonna go running or something with these. So that's good to know. and you're supposed to get 4 hours of listening time with a 10-minute charge. So that's not bad either, if it's correct. Pricing wise, these were 89 euros in Finland, and I've seen them going for about 79 to 89 on Amazon as well. So that would be, these are about $80. The ones I've tried around that price point usually come up a bit short on the audio quality. So let's see what these are like. And also let's see about the connection experience, because I tried to film this video earlier, a couple of days ago, and I ran into issues with the AI Life app. So let's see if we can get it working this time. So what you need is the AI Life app. So hopping in there, it wants all of my information. Of course, we can always give out everything that we possibly have. Yeah. So I just downloaded this app from the Play Store, and it's already telling me to update. Okay, this update will be downloaded from App Gallery. After updating, there will be 2 versions of this app on the device. It is recommended that you delete the old one. So that's terrible. That's stupid. So as a PSA to all iPhone users, while we're waiting for that to download and update, is that to use these headphones on iOS, you can connect them to your iPhone. You won't be able to access the noise cancelling features. So no pass-through or noise cancelling for you. So here we go, it downloaded, and now it needs to install it through AI Life. And I needed to allow installations from outside sources. And now I have to accept the stuff again. So far, not very confidence inducing. I'm using a OnePlus phone. This is not quite this complicated on my girlfriend's phone, which is an Honor phone, which is basically Huawei. So there's that. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's just open it up and see if it finds it. Okay, so open them up and let's put them into pairing mode, because they're still paired to my girlfriend's phone. Does it straight up find it? It doesn't seem like it does. So let's just hop into adding it manually. We got Freebuds 4i. It's connected. Pair and connect. Pair. And it's connected. Can we access the downloading now? We'll use some mobile data. We're in Finland, so we don't gotta worry about that. What is it downloading? It's just downloading something. It didn't even tell us what it's downloading. There we go. It downloaded a plugin. Okay. So now we get the settings. Okay, let's throw these on and see what's what. Nice little chime there. Throw them on. Okay. So, yeah, we can toggle these. So we have gestures, so we can adjust. This is for the double tap, and we can change them on each bud separately. So we can go play, pause, next song, previous song, make wait voice assistant, and none. And this is for touch and hold. We can either put it on mouse control or none. So you can't customize what touch and hold does. You can only turn off it accessing your noise cancelling or not. So we have both buds here displayed, battery percentages and the case percentage. What's in settings? Only smart wear detection. So whether it sees that they're on or off or not. Other than that, we got help. Okay, so that's just general help and update. It checks for updates and we're on the current version. Okay. Device settings. Just device name. Okay. So let's hop and try out the sound quality. So in regards to the audio quality, it's not bad. For $80 truly wireless, it's not bad. The low ends are not quite there. I prefer a bit more bassy kind of sound. So it's not there, but the mids and highs are crystal clear. I mean, if you prefer your sound profile to be like really clear, like clarity to the max, these will work for you. So in regards to that, these are great. So in total, for $80, these are quite decent with some design flaws. So to update and connect them, you need to have the lid open and the headphones in the case. But due to the shape, you can't in any way keep them upright because they will just close on you. The magnets are strong, so the headphones will never fall off. And I'm shaking this pretty hard. So that's a good thing, but there's no grip on the headphones themselves. So getting them out can be a pain. If you have anything on your fingers, like if your fingertips are wet or something, good luck trying to get these out. And if your fingertips are wet, you don't want to try to get them out anyway because there's no IP rating. So there are sacrifices, but you get noise cancelling. Audio quality is decent. The build quality is decent. I'm not afraid that this will break, except in the rain because there's no IP rating. Take with that what you will. These are the Huawei Freebuds 4i, and they're $80, and that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Would you buy these? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.